So as you can see, there was some electrical tape put on the conductors there. Don't know why that was. And as you can see also, looks like that's the original solder work. On the triple pole double throw switch there. So let's see if it'll power up. I should say that's a new battery in there, and before I ship the pedal off, I double checked to make sure it was working, so I'm going to go ahead and test it now with the guitar plugged in. Okay, and I'm going to turn my amp on. So we'll start with the pedal off. Okay, pedal's engaged. Yeah, there's nothing spotty going on here. It's just as it was before I shipped it. When you click it on, it works. It boosts your signal, boosts that volume up. Not even one time has it failed. So I don't know why this was returned to me. The pedal's in perfect condition, 100%. Operating condition like I listed it, so I can't take a loss on this. I'm going to test it 20 more times here. Yeah, I mean every time it's worked perfectly. I don't know what this is all about. Let me try the other output. Yeah, also working perfectly.